Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at some little mini staplers made by WorkPro. What makes these staplers any different than any other? Well, for one, they're mini. They're very small. And when you order these, you're going to get two of them. They're going to give you the little staple remover, and they're even going to give you 2,000 staples. We're going to take a close look at them in a second, but let's go ahead and see why they're called mini. If I put a tape measure on it, these are about 2.5 inches long. So you can hold it in your hand and staple very easily, just like this. And you can staple really quickly and move along. You can do that also with a big stapler, but it's kind of bulky and hard. This is just really easy to maneuver. It's going to load just like any regular stapler will. Pops open at the top. And one thing that these have is a slide or no slide surface on the bottom, which it keeps it from falling off of things. Now you can throw these in desk drawers. You can put them just about anywhere. They're extremely versatile. So let's go ahead and take a close look at what you get in the box and how they actually work. Okay, so your kit is going to come in a nice little box just like this here. You're just simply going to open it up. You're going to have 2 boxes of staples, 1,000 in each box. You're going to get 2 staplers just like that, and you're going to get the staple remover. Set the box aside. Now this one I have already opened and I have already put staples in it. I'm going to show you basically how you do that. Take the plastic off just like that. And then you're going to notice you have a little protective sleeve. Just slide the sleeve off and now it'll open, and simply pull that back open. And your staples are going to come out of the box already cut to size. So it's going to fit perfectly in this stapler. Take it, shut it, and now you are ready to go. Now, I've got a whole bunch of paper here. There's that's about 7 or 8 sheets, and they're folded over. So it's probably about 16 wide. Let's see if this will actually staple that all together. And it actually did very nicely. Stapled it without any problem. Let's do it again. I mean, the stapler actually works very, very well. So you'll also notice looking at it, the very bottom is non-slip. So it doesn't just slide around very easy. It kind of grabs. I also like the fact that they put WorkPro on everything. So it's actually listed on the item. If you look at your staple remover, same thing right here. And it is going to be in a locked, closed position. Most of these you see are always open and they do not have a lock. This one does. The little key right here, you're just going to simply take that, push it back, and it opens up. Let's go ahead and remove the staples that we put in. Guide it underneath and pull it out. That easy, and it is done very quickly. So now all I'm going to do, pull it shut and lock it back into place and put them in my desk, and I'm ready to rock and roll. So there you go. Extremely nice. So if I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because, well, I just think they're awesome and they're easy to use. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.